The next law I want to talk about is Boyle's law, and it is about pressure and volume. I have a stress ball here. Some of you maybe have been stressed lately, hopefully not, but if you have been, maybe you've been utilizing a stress ball of some sort. At low pressure, my stress ball exerts this much volume, right? It has this much volume. I'm not pushing on it. The only pressure that this stress ball is experiencing right now is atmospheric pressure, which is weighing on all of us, right? If I exert more pressure on this stress ball, do you see how it occupies less volume? Okay, so the more pressure exerted on a system, the less volume it has, and the less pressure, the more volume. Okay, now this is at constant temp. Okay, so Boyle's law, we're just looking at the two variables of pressure and volume. So high pressure, low volume. Low pressure, high volume. What type of relationship are pressure and volume here? They have an inverse relationship, right? So as pressure increases, volume decreases, and vice versa. How can we mathematically represent that, that idea? Well, pressure 1 and volume 1 equal pressure 2 and volume 2. So if the system starts off at, let's say, high pressure, it's going to have low volume, right? But then let's say, okay, I have high pressure, I'm going to decrease my pressure, my volume increases. So let's just say for kicks, I'm starting off at atmospheric pressure, which is 1 atm. And let's say it's a 2-liter soda can, or soda bottle, excuse me, okay? So I'm starting off at 1 atmosphere, and I have a 2-liter bottle. And let's say I increase pressure to twice that of atmospheric pressure, so 2 atm. How much, what volume will this soda occupy? Well, let's see, 1 times 2 is 2, divided by 2 is 1. So my final volume on my soda bottle, excuse me, will be 1 liter. It took up half the amount of space that it started with because I ended up with twice the amount of pressure. Do you see how those are inversely related? So I'd make sure I'd have Boyle's law and make sure you have this representation of the equation. Hopefully that makes sense.